everyone, Senior Master Michael Reed here from Premier Martial Arts Marietta and the Aquas Academy of Qigong and Internal Studies, along with my man, Sensei John Fitzpatrick. We want you guys to know that this coming Saturday, we have Customer and Community Appreciation Day. We have a big array lineup of workshops that is just for you. Very quickly, at 11 o'clock, 11 o'clock a.m., I am going to teach a Tai Chi, Qigong, health and wellness workshop. There'll be something for everyone. So if you've ever had interest about energy, healing, motion, and movement, come and see me. After that, we got a bunch of punching and kicking and great self-development stuff. Sensei John, take it over, sir.
Hey everybody, Sensei John here. So first and foremost, we got our parents coaches workshop coming up on Saturday at 10. That's when the parents and the kids are both doing the class together, so the parents can learn how to coach their kids at home to keep that martial arts training going, making sure they're not just training in the school. Next up, at 12, we have our Kids Safe workshop where our kids are learning street safety, stranger danger, all that stuff that we want to make sure our kids know and have to make sure that they're safe when they're outside the house. And last, we got our adult self-defense workshop coming up at 1. A great workshop for anyone that just wants to build up on their skills of self-defense or just get some good information out of it. All right, so make sure you guys come see us for that Community Appreciation Day, Customer Appreciation Day coming up this Saturday at Premier Martial Arts Marietta.
PMA-Specialevents.com. You can go right